Our next video takes us down to the farm, where there are cows and humans only. If there are 42 eyes and 54 legs, how many cows and humans will there be? Okay, let's get cracking and start this question. Get down on that farm, get our Wellington boots on, and get our hands dirty. Taking that fresh air. Okay, so the first thing we do is look at what is in common between humans and cows. There might be a lot, but I definitely know that they both have 2 eyes. So in terms of eyes, I'm going to take the total, 42, divide by 2, and our answer is 21. So we do know that there is a total of 21 cows and humans. How many of each? We don't know yet. So let's try to put some numbers in and find out. And let's try to be smart about it. We don't want to just randomly pick numbers, otherwise we'll be here until the cows come home, quite literally. So they're similar numbers. Let's take something in the middle and go from there. And then we can either reduce or increase as we see fit. So if we had half of 21, so let's just start with, say, 9 cows. That's going to give us 9 times 4 equals 36 legs. And because there's 9 cows, that has to add up to 21. So 12 humans. So we'll say 12 times 2 equals 24. That's going to give us 60 altogether. And that's a little bit too many. We need to get 54 legs. So I need to reduce my number of legs by 6. So taking away 6 legs, I'm going to have to reduce my number of cows. So if we start off with 9, if I took away 1 cow, that will leave me with minus 4 legs. But because I have to add on 1 extra human, because the total always has to be 21, that's going to give me one extra human will be plus 2 legs. So overall, we've only lost 2. So in that case, I need to lose not 1 cow, but 3 cows, because 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so rather than 9 cows, I'm going to have 6 cows. 6 times 4 equals 24. And what's remaining? 21 take away 6, that equals 15. So we have 15 humans. 15 times 2 equals 30. And hopefully they add up to 54. And yes, they do. So we've got that one correct. Yippee. Okay, I don't know why I quite said yippee, but anyway, we have 6 cows, 15 humans. They both add up to 21. And we know that 21 times 2 equals 42 eyes. So we definitely know that there are 42 eyes and 54 legs from our 6 cows and 15 humans. Okay, so I'd like you to have a go at some of those questions below yourself and see how you do. Good luck.